Almaty has so many interesting non-touristic places. There's no way I can get inside. Oops. There's a security booth right there, and I'm not sure if anyone in here, but oh, I see stairs actually. Okay, let's go. How am I gonna get down? I have no idea. Well, I guess security already showed up. If there was a security. Well, I basically spent 30 minutes staying right there, thinking how to get down, covered in pigeon shit. So as I said, it was sewing factory, but it was abandoned probably a long time ago. And nothing really here. Shit. Let's maybe find the stairs. It would be nice to see how this factory looked like back in time when it was functioning. There is so much pigeon shit on me right now. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna wash everything. But yeah, let's think about it later. Yo man, look at this view. Wow. Well, the view was worth it. Just the view. Well, if you want first row seats, it's right here. Beauty. Some of the peaks are still covered in snow, even though it's end of July and it's boiling hot here. What are these buildings? Why do they need it here? Oh shit, it's gonna hurt. This probably was some kind of ventilation equipment. I don't know. Some of the windows even survived. also somehow need to find a way out, because the way I get in here, well, it was kind of tricky. Not sure if I can use the same route back. Well, I'm pretty sure this place once was a really huge manufactory. Now it's just a bird's graveyard. History is fascinating. I wonder what they're gonna do with all of this. It's a lot of space here, but the condition of the building itself is not quite well. Oh, ventilation is left. I think there is nothing left which could give us a clue that there was a factory here, sewing factory. It looks like just a huge rooms with nothing in it. Seems like people used to live here. I don't want to find any corpse. Please? No, not this time. Well, this place was abandoned, then some people lived here for quite a time, and then it was abandoned again. If you ask me if it's creepy here, I would say yeah, pretty much. I'm glad I came here during the daytime, and it's summer. Well, at night it would be just Well, seems like the wall started to collapsing. This one was wall. It was right here. Now it's down. Well, honestly, I was hoping to find some kind of equipment here, but it's too late. It's only the ventilation system left. Yeah, the building is collapsing already. It's too bad. Oh, look, that's what I was looking for. Threads. One more. Well, based on this floor, this building was on fire once. It is like a garage. Let's check it out as well. Pigeons are getting crazy because I got to their place. Is anyone upstairs? Maybe shower? Well, that's what I was talking about. See, there is some shower. There's some towels and soaps. So I bet someone's living in this area. It would be nice to get out. It's so easy to get out from here. What is it, oil? That's probably was fueling generators. Shit. Such a beauty. It looks like someone still be here. There's definitely someone's here. I can see 2 cameras. Let's get out of here. So I don't want to jump through the fence again to get out. I'm just gonna go straight through the security. If they're still there, I'm just gonna say something stupid. Okay, let's go. Fuck all. Bye bye factory.